is not shining today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Hallowed Beauty with Emily. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you just gained a new best friend. If you are returning, well, welcome back, babes. Today we're gonna do a simple eyebrow tutorial because I think that's what we need, is a simple eyebrow tutorial so that you guys can go out on your way with a cute little simple brow. So just ignore the blemishes on my face. I'm having just like a stressful month, you know what I'm saying? So these are the brow products that I currently own and am using. This is the Microfilling pen by Benefit. This is the brow definer and Wiz by Anastasia. This is her clear brow gel, and then this is Undone brow gel as well. I use this the most, and then I use these to kind of go in and fill in afterwards. It is your preference on how fluffy you want them. I'm going in with my Undone gel. This is in warm brown. This is my favorite brow stuff just because it's almost out, but it comes with a spoolie and it has already the gel on it. It's really great just for starters. You want to start here at the very base of your brow and then work up, and then just kind of work in the angle of your brow. Now, I would recommend actually tweezering your brows and making sure that they are actually shaped before doing your brows, because it's gonna be a lot easier to follow an actual arch shape. We're gonna start with her clear brow gel first, because if we wanna do really light, fluffy brows and make them look more natural, we want to go opposite direction of our brows, just kind of fluff them up and out, you know what I mean? They've been in the grave for quite some time. It's your preference on how you really want your brow to look. You can either take your Brow Wiz or your brow definer and fill in the little areas that are not all the way filled in. I'm gonna go in more with my Brow Wiz just because it is a smaller pencil, and that way we can really focus on getting those strokes that we want and really filling in that brow. So just make sure you're going up and out when you're filling in the brow, and just do it very lightly. You don't need to press super hard. As you can see, the brow definer has more of a angled pencil so that you can create that more boxy brow base of shaping, stroking, and filling it all in at the same time. So once you have a good idea of how much you want your brow filled in, take the spoolie end of the wand that you're using and just brush it and comb it out. Of course, you want to go up and out, but this just really makes sure that you don't have any harsh lines in your brows. There's no like gaps missing. Of course, you can go back in and fill it if there are, but just so that you get that really nice, clean brow. Well, there you have it, kids. A super simple eyebrow tutorial for you. I do have to say there are a lot of different brow products to use out there. There's brow pomade, there's brow pencils, there's brow gels, there's brow pens. There's all kinds of stuff. So go out there, see what you like, experiment with it. That's the best part about makeup. You get to try, experiment with it. I mainly stick to pens and pencils and gels just because it's a lot easier for me. And I've actually never done pomade before. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button because we're best friends now. Come on, it's free. And also turn on those post notifications so that every time I post, you get a ding, 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 and you know I'll post it on no video. Hi. Stay you, stay cute, stay beautiful, and I will see you in my next video.